Are you looking to reduce carbon footprint of your manufacturing operations? What if such solutions increase your profits and yield, but are also safe and reliable? Meet green hydrogen, an affordable, safe, and reliable alternative to gray hydrogen. Hygenco is a global pioneer in deploying green hydrogen solutions, combining renewable energy with electrolysis to deliver low-cost, zero-emission hydrogen and oxygen. How do we do that? Our teams customize and engineer each Hygenco plant to your specific gas demand patterns and specifications. Proprietary AI-based energy management system address the intermittency in renewable energy, resulting in stable and lowest life cycle cost of hydrogen. Our zero-incident policy, guided by the Hygenco Industrial Quality Management Systems, ensures safe and reliable operations. Hygenco's green hydrogen solutions can help fulfill green aspirations of India's chemical industry. So, how can you adopt green hydrogen? Connect with us. We do complete engineering, incur all CAPEX, and manage all operations during lifetime. You only pay per molecule delivered. Our solutions are perfect for a diverse array of chemical industries. Hygenco, making green hydrogen solutions affordable, safe, and scalable.